I hope you all are doing great, class. So today is 25th of May 2021 and the day is Tuesday. Fine. So class, yesterday we studied about the divisibility rules for number 4. Isn't class? Divisibility rules for number 4. So I have a number which is 2, which is 4, 16. 4, 16. So first of all, what I do, class? What would I do? Yes, Alvina, you tell me. Very good. First of all, I will check if this number is divisible by 4 or not. Fine. So उसके लिए मैं क्या करूँगी? I will write its place value which is 416. So I am starting from the right side as you know, class. So 6 is at 1's place, 1 is at 10's place and 4 is at 100's place. Fine. So this is how we can write place value of 416. Is it clear? ये सबको clear है यहाँ तक? Fine. Now for next we will take last 2 digits of the given number. If this number is divisible by 4 or not. If this number is divisible by 4, so it means the given number is also divisible by 4. Fine. If the last 2 number is not divisible by 4, so it simply means it is the given number is also not divisible by 4. So we will check here first of all which is 16 is inside the division and 4 is outside the division. Fine. Now for 4 times 16. We have remainder 0. We have remainder 0. So जब मैंने 16 को 4 पे डिवाइड किया तो मुझे क्या मिला है वहां से 4. I get 4 from it. So it's mean exactly जो 2 digits लास्ट के थे उस नंबर के वो हमने चेक किए. If it is divisible by 4, so it's mean the given number is also divisible by 4. Fine. So I will write in the end. Therefore, the number which is given is 416 is also divisible by 4. So this is how we can check divisibility rules for number 4. So today we have divisibility rules for number 6. Today we will learn how to apply divisibility rules for number 6. Divisibility rules for number 6. Fine, class. So let's take the number which is 918. I have a number which is 918. First of all, what would we do? We first check if the number is even or not. Fine. हम सबसे पहले क्या चेक करेंगे कि जो नंबर है वो इवन है या इवन है कि नहीं है. वो अब कैसे चेक होगा? If you do class, at 1's place we have 8. 1's place पे क्या है 8. So हमने ये डिस्कस किया था कि those numbers which ended with 2, 4, 6, 8 is known as even number. So यहाँ पे क्या नंबर है? लास्ट पे 8, सो वी कैन से दिस नंबर इज इवन नंबर. So we can write first of all, yes, 918 is an even number. It is divisible by 2. ये divisible है 2 पे? Fine. Now we check whether the sum of digits is divisible by 3 or not. अब हमने क्या चेक करने कि जो इसका सम है क्या वो डिविजिबल है 3 पे कि नहीं. 9 plus 1 plus 8. 9 plus 1 is 10 and 10 plus 8 is 18. We have 18. Now we will check the sum is divisible by 3 or not. Fine. सबसे पहले हम लोगों ने क्या देखने कि जो नंबर हमारे पास गिवन है वो इवन नंबर है या नहीं. If it is even, so we can say it is divisible by 2. Now for next step we will check the sum. If the sum is divisible by 3, so we can say this number is divisible by 3. Fine. Hence we can say the overall number, which is 918, is also divisible by 6. Fine. Now let's check here. Is 18 divisible by 3 or not? 3, as you know, 3 6 times 18. As you know, 3 6 times 18. We have no remainder in the end. So it is exactly divisible by 6. So we can say class 918 is divisible by 6. फाइन. क्या रूल्स है? सबसे पहले हमने देखने कि जो गिवन नंबर है वो क्या होना चाहिए, इवन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल लुक द गिवन नंबर इज एन इवन नंबर. सो वी कैन राइट द नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 2. फॉर नेक्स्ट स्टेप वी विल चेक द सम ऑफ दिस नंबर. इफ द सम इज डिविजिबल बाय 3, so we can simply write the given number is divisible by 6. ये रूल सबको क्लियर हो गए. Now let's do its related question from exercise number 2A. अब इसको चेक करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, एक दफा डिवीजन हम इसकी भी कर लेते. 918 6 के साथ डिविजिबिलिटी इसकी चेक करेंगे. 6 2 times 12, so I will take 6 1 times 6. Fine. As you know, the next step is to subtract. So 9 minus 6 is 3. I will write this one, bring down here. Now as you know class, 6 5 times 30. So 1 minus 0 is 1 and I will bring down 8 here. 6 3 times 18. We have no remainder in the end. So that's why we can say it is divisible by 6. It is divisible by 6. First of all हमने इसको चेक करने के लिए क्या देखने कि जो गिवन नंबर है वो हमारे पास इवन है या ऑड है. If the number is even, so we can write it is divisible by 2. Now for next step we can check the sum of the given number is divisible by 3 or not. If it is divisible by 3, so we can simply write the given number is divisible by 6 also. Fine. So this is the rule. These are the rules. Now let's do question number 5 from exercise number 2A. Exercise number 2A. Page number 33 and question number is The first rule to check divisibility rules for number 6 is if the given number is even or odd. If the given number is even or odd. So as you know, the unit place of this value ended with 2. So it is clearly that it is even number. It is even number. So we can write yes, 8622 is an even number. Fine. यूनिट प्लेस किस पे एंड हो रही है? 2 पे. सो हमने क्या पढ़ा था? इफ द यूनिट प्लेस एंडेड विद 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is divisible by, it is simply divisible by 2. So we can write if the number is divisible by 2, we can write as even numbers. So this number is an even number. Now for next step, अब हम क्या देखेंगे? We will check its sum. अगर इसका sum जो है वो 8 plus 6 plus 2 plus 2 equals 2. If the sum is divisible by 3, so we can say the given number is divisible by 6. Now 8 plus 6 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 plus 2, 16, and 16 plus 2 is 18. Fine. Now for next step we will check 18 is divisible by 3 or not. As you know class, 3 6 times 18, we have no remainder, so it's mean it is divisible by 3. Fine. It is divisible by 2 and it is divisible by 3 also. In the end we can write, therefore we can write the given number, which is 8622, is also divisible by 6. Now in the end we will check here. 6 1 times 6, but 6 2 times 12. So I will take 6 1 times 6. Now, as you know, the next step of division is to subtract. So 8 minus 6 is 2. And 6 as it is also. Now class, as you know, 6 4 times 24. Next क्या होगा? Yes, Alishba, you tell me. Very good. We will subtract here. So we have 2 in the end. Now I will bring down 2 here. Now 6 4 times 24, which is greater than 22. So I will read 6 3 times 18. 6 3 times 18. 2 is not 2 will be not cut from 8 because 2 is smaller and 8 is greater. So I will take 2-digit number, which is 12. So 12 minus 8 is 4. 12 minus 8 is 4. Now this 2 will be right down here. Now we have 42 in the end. As you know, 6 7 times 42. We have no remainder in the end, so it's mean 8622 is divisible by 6. Fine. सबसे पहले हम लोगों ने क्या करना है, जो गिवन नंबर है उसको चेक करना है कि if it is even number or not. If it is even number, so we will move forward, which is we will check the sum of this number. If the sum of the given number is divisible by 3, so we can say it is divisible by 2 and 3 also. Fine. In the end we will check 8622, which is the given number, is divisible by 6 or not. If it is divisible or clearly divisible by 6 without leaving any remainder, so we can write 8622 is divisible by 6. Fine. So this is your part A. Now I am moving towards part B, which is 47 space 018. So the first rule of divisibility for the first divisibility rule for number 6 is to check the given number is even or not. As you know class, the unit place ended with 8. So it is we can say it is divisible by 2. This number is an even number. Now we can say it is divisible by 2 because its unit ended with 8. Those numbers which unit ended with 2, 4, 6, 8 we can say as even numbers. Fine class. Now अब ये क्या है, हमारे पास इवन नंबर है, डिविजिबल है 2 पर. Now in the end we will write now we will check its sum, which is 4 plus 7 plus 0 plus 1 plus 8. So 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12 and 12 plus 8 is 20. Now for next step we will check the sum is divisible by 3 or not. अब हम क्या चेक करेंगे कि 20 जो है वो 3 पे एग्जैक्टली डिविजिबल होता है या नहीं. फाइन. 20 is inside the division and 3 is outside the division. So 3 6 times 18. We have 2 in the remainder, which is not exactly divisible by 6. So we can say 47,018 is not divisible by, यहाँ पे हम क्या लिखेंगे, is not divisible. अब यहाँ पर इवन वाला तो क्लियर हो गया था, बट जो सम है वो डिविजिबल नहीं हुआ 3 पर. सो वी कैन राइट 47,018 इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 6. Fine. Now class, I am going to conclude this lesson. You have to be listen very carefully. The divisibility rules for number 6 is, first of all we will check the given number is an even or not. If the number is even, so we can write as it is divisible by 2. Fine. In next step we will check the sum of the given number is divisible by 3 or not. If it is divisible, so we can write hence the given number is divisible by 2 and 3 also. In the end we will check simply the given number is divisible by 6. If the given number is divisible by 6 without leaving any remainder, we can write the given number is divisible by 6. ठीक है. हमने क्या करना है, सबसे पहले देखने के जो नंबर है वो इवन है. अगर तो वो इवन है तो हम उसको क्या कहेंगे, इट इज डिविजिबल बाय 2. बट उसके बाद जो नेक्स्ट स्टेप होगा क्या होगा कि हम जो उसका सम लेंगे, अगर उसका सम डिविजिबल, फिर उसको हम उसके सम को डिवाइड करेंगे 3 से. अगर उसका आंसर जो है वो एग्जैक्टली क्या होगा, डिवाइड हो जाएगा विदाउट एनी रिमाइंडर. सो वी कैन राइट इट इज डिविजिबल बाय 3. अगर नहीं होगा सो हम वहाँ पर ही उसको वी विल स्टॉप हेयर एंड वी कैन राइट दिस इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 6. ओके. सो दिस इज ऑल क्लास. यू हैव टू you have to practice question number 5 all parts in your book from page number 33. If you find any difficulty you can ask me. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.